Come on, Paul, we want to get your rods out again. You know the same when it's close, I say steady. Spook it again.
Get up.
Oh, look at this. That's the thing.
What's up, buddy?
Well done, Paul. Give me a beer, he says. Can we go in now? Now you're sweating, Paul.
Hey!
That's good, buddy.
15 minutes in the chair there, Paul.
How long?
15
Well done.
Well done, Patrick. I'm yours as well.
Hey, you.
Yeah. He forgot Patrick's call on mine. Yeah, that was right.
Did it there yet?
Halfway. Era puro pinto, ¿no? Era pintolillo, ¿no?
How far away is he now?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think he's that's a blue marlin. Somebody bought that blue marlin. Good season is September, October, November.
You don't catch blue marlin now. Season September, October.
Contra el agua, cabrón.
That's an unusual one as well, mate.
Es contra el agua.
Okay, 1 hour later, Scott still has the blue marlin on the line.
Big fucking tuna. Big fucking tuna.
You hear that, Robert?
Nice tuna.
It's a big fucking tuna.
Yeah.
Tuna, amigo. Hey, es tuna, no marlin.
Better?
¿Dónde que le agarraron a otro? Lejos, güey.
Mira, si está la pincha aleta, así el piso, como lo puedo así.
Should we hear it again, Robert?
Big fucking tuna. Yeah. Big motherfucker. Grande.
If the skipper says that, it must be.
Sí, ojalá, Julito. No te aceleres, no te aceleres. Lovely in the water, right? Yeah. Agarrándole el pate, jálala, güey. Aguáyala. Aguáyala. Hey, let me see it, sir. Hey, I want to see it right here, please. Hey.
Wash your tent, Paul.
I want to see, okay? The line. Sorry. It's okay. Good!
I tell you what I'm looking at.
Huh?
It's it.
Sledgehammer to crack a walnut on it. The trouble is, it's the opposite way round.
Hey!
Sure, go round it. Round it. It's really shone through it, Patrick. There's a hole back here, Patrick. Oh, we've got it.
That's a big fish, isn't it?
Scotty,
Scott!
do you fancy a beer?
That's a lump, isn't it? Tell you what, Scott, that's a fucking bruiser. Yeah. As he said, a big fucking tuna.
Oh, it's fisherman.
Oh.
When the skippers turn around and say things like that, it's a big fish.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 3 of them the gap.
I mean, Scott, you'll be the toast of Cabos tonight.
I'll be dining out on this one for quite a while.
For the next 12 months.
Yeah, you got tuna for the next 15 months.
My left arm.
Yeah. You just want to sit down and start and have get some water in you.
Guys, come here.
Yeah, good.
Hit one. One, two, three, up.
Oh my God. Look at the size of that thing. You never caught anything like that in Weston.
Let's go for his club.
Ah!
Hey, it's just 2 hours since you hooked that fish.
Yeah.
2 hours, what did I say the other day?